What up guys, this is Aman, your boy, back at you with another video. This week we're talking about the iPhone 11 Pro Max case. Now I have this case for a long time now. I've had it for about 9 to 10 months, right around the time when the iPhone 11 Pro Max came out. And you know what? The case needs some loving, okay? The leather has gotten dry. It has some dings in it from where I've dropped it. It's held on. It's protecting my phone really well from a few pretty scary drops. But you know what? Now it has scratches and dents wherever I hit the floor or just scratch it on other things. So what I want to do is kind of try to restore this at home so we don't have to spend $50 plus tax on a new case like this. So that way you guys can see what we can do at home. It's almost like a DIY at home. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get this rolling and we're gonna show you what we can do at home. I just want to show you around this case. You can see there's some bumps right there. Okay, that's where I actually dropped it pretty hard. It was from pretty high. I think this was right around my ears and it fell over and I couldn't catch it on time and it fell on concrete, and that's where it made a dent. And you can see underneath it, actually, there's a black plastic underneath it. You can see that. Anyways, there's some scratches on it. We just want to clean it up really well, and once we clean it up, we're gonna actually polish it. So the two things that I have is a cleaner right here. You can see Lexlor is the company that I got. You can get any cleaner. You can go on Amazon and you can get a cleaner and you can get a polish for leather. It's a deep cleaner. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna use the polish. So here we go. Okay, we're gonna show you that, and now we're gonna show you the conditioner. Okay, the conditioner is very important. You need to condition it because what that cleaner is gonna do is actually gonna dry out the leather even more. So you want to make sure you have both. Okay, you want to have two separate rags, or if you have a microfiber towel, you can use that, but make sure you have two separate ones. You don't want to use the same one for both. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get this rolling and we're gonna show you what we can do at home as a DIY project. Okay, so let's take a look to see where we need to go. The main areas that I felt in this was the hardest was the sides. That is where the darkest parts of my case is. All of the clothes that I wear are pretty tight as far as my pockets on my shirt or my jacket or even my pants. So wherever it's the corners is touching the most, and that's where I get the deepest color. So we're gonna try to see if we can get that all off. Okay, so let's clean this up really well, and you guys are gonna see while I'm cleaning this, you're gonna see the actual color coming off the actual case, and it's gonna change depending on what I'm doing here. Okay, so we're gonna speed it up a little bit so you guys don't have to wait too much. And don't forget guys, if you guys like this video, subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me. It really helps out my channel. I am trying to get 250 subs. If you guys can do that for me, let's do that in this video. Okay, we can get that rolling right now. I'm at 96 subscribers right now, and I really want to thank all of you guys that have been with me this whole time. Just subscribe. It doesn't take anything. It's free. Don't forget to do that for me for this video. We're trying to hit 250. If we do that, I will be giving away something very soon. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. All right, so you guys can see it's actually taken off a lot of the stuff even on the first pass. You see that? You can actually see the rag is getting dirty. It's getting all the grime off. It's getting all the oils that is in your hands. I know it's pretty nasty, but you know what? Your hands are oily. If you moisturize it, you know, that also goes on the case. Everything that's on your hands goes on your case. So we got to get all of that off, and you can see already it's really on the first pass looking much cleaner than what I had before. It has a dark patina right now. That's only because it's wet. Okay, when it dries up, you can see it's going to be lighter. So let's take a look. We're just gonna do a few passes. Now let's put actually the polish on there. Okay, I want to see what the polish looks like. It's gonna give it a nice sheen. You're gonna really like that, okay? Let's take a look. And you know what? You guys can do this 2 or 3 times to get a better look if you want. I mean, I'm just doing this for the video for you guys so you can see what we can achieve in the house. But honestly, you can get a really, really fancy look on this and get a really nice shine on it, okay? So take a look. This is the first pass, okay? I've only done this once, and literally I got the whole thing done in about, I'd say, 7 to 10 minutes, maybe even a little bit less than that. And you know what? For that much time, I believe I did a really good job to get this done for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Check that out, guys. How beautiful is that? I mean, can you see the difference between the before and after? This is really nice, guys, okay? Now, I want to tell you guys, while I was feeling this case, I could actually tell wherever there were scratches, I didn't really feel those scratches anymore. Not as much, at least. I mean, you can feel them, but not as much, especially where that dent was in the corner. I'm telling you guys, that dent was very visible to your finger. You could feel it. And also, it was, you were able to see it basically. But in this case, after polishing it and doing all of this, you don't feel all of that stuff anymore, okay? So this is what you can do, guys, at home. If you guys like this video, definitely subscribe to me. And you know what? Do this at home and tell me what you guys think. If you guys have leather cases, I'd love to see if you guys have done something like this before, or you know, if you haven't done it, try it out. Just go to Amazon, order your stuff, and actually try it out. Let me know what kind of results you guys are getting at home. It would be really helpful to me to see if anybody actually was helped out with this video. And one thing I wanted to remind you guys is when you're doing this, make sure you use a nice cloth, like a microfiber cloth or something. If you don't have that, make sure you do this softly. You don't want to do it too hard. You're gonna take a lot of the color off, okay? You don't want to do that. You want to keep the leather nice and soft and clean. You don't want to actually take the leather off, because on these leather cases that Apple makes, the leather actually is very thin. So you want to be gentle with it, okay? You just want to do it over and over, but you don't want to push too hard. You will take the leather off it, okay? Just remember that little tip and you should be good to go. The left and the right sides and the corners are going to be your hardest places to get. And that's it, guys. Check this out. How beautiful is that? It's like a brand new case. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. We're trying to get that 250 subscribers, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Peace. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.